What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you already watched my previous video. Today is Saturday, October 19, and it's about 3 in the afternoon, and I only have a couple hours to fish today, and we'll see how it goes. As you guys already know, the salmon season is already over, so this is just the extension for the fall seasons that we are allowed to fish on a limited area. And I'm gonna go and try the first spot in here, and I might gonna be walking towards in the Lake Ontario, so I'm gonna be walking about maybe 1 to 2 kilometers today, and we'll see if I can go in there. All right, I'll check the spot in there. The water is pretty low, but I didn't try, so I just want to keep going. See, there's a big fish right here, so they only have a couple of weeks before their life cycle. Oh, you see that? And you guys see fish are doing like that, so which is they're spawning. But okay, I'm just gonna go keep going. That's what I want to disturb them. Alright guys, back in the road. So I'm planning to walk in the river, but the problem is I am using the rubber sole right now, so every time I step on the rock it's slippery. So okay, it's better to walk in the road right now. There is a hole right here, and I can see some fish over here, but I'm not sure, or I just want to keep going. Oh. Yep. Hey there. Okay, let's keep going. Look at that. I'm here.
I can't even see the fish.
Ako na ate, ako na. Para
Your sister. Here, I'll take it. When you put it down for you.
Okay. We're gonna start with this white yarn. All right, here you go. First cast. Looks like I got a fish right there. Okay, fish on the first cast. We'll see. No, it's a snag. Let me see. Sure, it's a snag. I don't want to break. There you go, fish off. Thank you. Okay, that was a snag. Okay, let's try it again. Alright guys, I changed it to green color because the water is a little bit dirty right now. And there we go. First cast on the green. Oh, nothing.
Yeah.
Meron na doon?
Marami na. Dami nang nagpo-post yung mga Pilipino na vlogger. Ha? Pag pumunta tayo,
Yeah, here you go. Fish. Oh, fish off.
daling araw dahil malayo. May nakuha na dapat ako eh. Pag mo ano sa mismo.
It was an accident.
There we go. Fish. There we go. That's in the mouth.
That's a mouth.
Yep. We'll see. What's this? Oh, it's a small one. Looks like it's a jack. There we go. There you go, come here. Yup. Shake your head. Oop. There you go. Ooh. Help yourself. Nope, not yet. Help yourself. Bring it. Okay. There you go. All right. First fish of the day. Okay, here we go. Alright. That's a fish of the day. First fish of the day. Alright, I landed my first fish and let's do it again. I'm still using the green yarn. Let me wet this one first. And here we go. Okay.
Mommy.
Fish. There you go. That's the bowers down. Yep. That's another big one. Alright. Ooh, look at that. Shake heads.
We're not dancing and prison work.
There you go. There you go. Help yourself.
Ay din na yan.
Just watch yourself, guys. I'm sorry.
Ask Teresa's mom if we're going to tambourines. Awning is touch.
Ooh. There you go.
Dapat may tripod ka na.
All right. Yeah.
It's like we are there. Yeah, like also.
Ooh.
Oh, okay. Yeah, same deal.
Okay.
Put the camera over there when we're at the
Looks like it's not ready yet.
rolling around.
Oh, there you go. There we go, second fish of the day. Okay. Oh, it's already spun out. Look at this. Oop. Ah. All right. Thank you. Okay, I'm still using the green yard color over here. Okay guys, I'm gonna try this color. It's like a pinkish white, and we'll see. Fish, fish, fish. Okay. Let's try this orange yarn color. Let's see. Snag. Okay. That was a snag. Okay, still orange yarn. Oh, it's okay. I got it. Fish. Nope. That's my third fish for today. Okay guys,
Puho, come here, puho.
white yarn.
Hindi pa man pumano sa... Nawala na.
Ay! I don't know, see that? I don't know if that's a fish or I don't know. Okay, it's a fish. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, fish off on a white yarn. We'll see what happened there. Oh, my hook got bent. Okay. Another fish. Oh, there you go. This is good. Sana makuha. So I guess we're gonna keep this one. Yeah, pwede. Sige, kunin mo. Mukhang maganda siya eh. Di ba? All right. Okay guys, we're gonna keep this one. So you guys wanna keep it? Okay. Bibidyo lang ako. I'm using a white yarn.
Look at that.
Alright guys, I think that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. See ya!